In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into monday.com. First off, let's head over to monday.com and get started with this process. If you're not on the site already, open up your web browser and navigate to monday.com. Once you're there, you'll see the login option in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. For your convenience, you can log in using your Google account, which is a quick and secure way to access your monday.com dashboard. Simply click on the Google option during the login process and then select the Google account that you wish to use. And just like that, you're in. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the specific board where you want to import your data. Take a look at the left panel of your screen. Here, you should see a list of your boards. Navigate to the board where your new data will live. Once you've chosen the correct board, click on it to open it up. Now, let's get the data import process going. Look for the New Item button, which should be prominently displayed on the board interface. You'll want to click on the drop-down arrow next to this button. From the drop-down menu, you have the option to import items. Select this option as it's particularly designed for bringing in data from external files. Now, you'll need your data file. If your data is stored in a CSV, separated values file, you have two options for getting your data into monday.com. You can either click on the Browse button to search your computer for the file, or if it's more convenient, simply drag and drop your CSV file into the designated area. After you have your file ready to go, the next crucial step is to match your columns. This step is important because it makes sure that the data from your CSV file aligns correctly with the columns on your monday.com board. Carefully match each column from your CSV file with the appropriate column on the board to ensure accuracy. Once all your columns are matched, click on Continue. Here, you'll be prompted to decide how to handle duplicates in your data. Decide on the appropriate action that suits your import needs. This might mean replacing existing data, ignoring duplicates, or merging them. It truly depends on what works best for your particular situation. When you've made your choice regarding duplicates, the final step is to click on Start Import. Sit tight and let monday.com work its magic. Your data will now begin importing into your board. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your data into monday.com, streamlining your workflows and ensuring your team has access to critical information. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.